What have you got? What have you got? Are you guddling? Are you guddling? I think so.
I think somebody's making a big mess.
Are you going to eat some? You gonna eat some of it?
If
No,
you're happy
it's
and
not shampoo.
you know it, shout we are. Oh no. Right, no. Enough.